quick. Doing a little smidgen of setup, just a brief little smidgen of setup here. Get all of our windows open. Get all the chat windows open here. Let's see here. 1 second. Click this button here and that one. There we go. All right. Got one there. One good to go. All right. I got to get the other one. Here we go. Clicking the other button. We're going to be building AI that can draw an image. Yesterday we drew a circle. We drew a circle yesterday. Let's see if today we can draw. I think we can do it. I've never done it before. But we'll find out if it's possible. We'll see. We'll see if it's possible. I think it will be. I'm actually kind of excited to see if we do it. We might not do it. I don't know if we will or not, but we're going to find out. We're going to find out if it works or not. I'm pretty sure it worked. Thank you for hey, Nick Talk. Welcome on in. Good to see you. We're going to be building, appreciate all the likes, all the heart icons that you have there on the screen. Thank you. We'll be building a AI that can draw an image. Just an image. We're going to do one image, just one. Let's see if we can get the AI to do just one image. We're going to find out if it'll work. And appreciate all the likes there. Appreciate it. I can see a little floaty heart icons show up. That's awesome. Thank you. Let's see here. Stream. Is it looking good? Connect. Okay. One moment. I got to make sure that everything's looking. It looks like it's looking okay. It's just 1 sec. Oh, you know what? What I could do is I could click this other button. And then let's go over here. Thank you. Hey, welcome on in, Carl. Carol, how's it going? Thomas, good to see you. Brian, good to see you. Wow, we got lots of. Thank you for the heart. Thank you for sending the heart over. Appreciate it. Hey, Quantify Quantum. All right, good. We got the chat working. All things looking good. It's like there's like a something went wrong sign that showed up right there. I'm like, uh-oh. You stayed up? Cool. Thank you. It's good to see you. All right. Hey, beauty. Evening. Welcome on in. Good to see you. All right. We got the heart icons floating over here looking good. We got all the chat windows over here looking good on that side too. All right, we're going to make this happen. We're going to draw an... Oh, yeah, actually, let's see here. Here we go. Here's the screen that you want to see. This is the screen right here. All right, let's make sure that we're all focused in. Does it all look good there? I think so. So we're going to open up a file. We're actually going to get to it. We're going to get to it here. All right, here we go. Oh, no, actually, we should cpnn, and we're going to go to image. We're going to go to image.py. There we go. We're going to see if we can make the AI... make an image. I'm pretty sure. Oh, but first we need the image. We're going to try to replicate an image. We got to learn from an image first. And see how we got up here, like at the top of the screen, we got like a Pytorch icon right there. We got like a little Pytorch icon. We're going to try to draw that. The emblem of the Pytorch, which is like, it's kind of like a semicircle with a little dot in the middle. Let's see if it works. I've never done this before. I think we can get it to work though. So what we need to do is we need to get the image, we need to put it to the right size, and then we need to import the image, all the pixels, and then convert the pixels into a shape that can be like an XY coordinate output maybe for every input level. I don't know. I think we can do it. So we're going to find out. We're going to see what we can do here. So the image, we'll have to have like a fixed image size, right? So whatever the pixel image size is going to be. And I think we can make that work. I think we can make it work. Thank you, Nick Tuck, for hanging out and clicking the heart buttons there. Are you just coming, sir? Or am I like, oh, lad, you got here right at the beginning. We just got started. That's a new one. You look like CGI. Oh, we're thank you. I thank you. Is that a compliment? I'm Crab. Is that a compliment or is that just an observation? All right, here we go, you guys. All right, so Asher, welcome on in. Good to see you. All right, so we've got some Python here on the screen. You can see some Python. This is where we left off yesterday. My swarms are cooking right now. What are your swarms? I'm actually kind of curious about that. Tell me about your swarms. It sounds like that's an exciting project. That sounds like an exciting project you're working on. Tell me about your exciting project. I'm kind of curious. What is your exciting project? If you are working on an exciting project, tell us about it. Tell us about it right now. I'm actually kind of curious. Let us know. Let us know in the chat, you guys. All right. So, well, you look good. Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it. All right. That's a compliment. That counts as a compliment, right? All right. Here we go. So, I want to, we need to get the image. So let me open the image. How do we do that? All right. So, cd / so is it in a social? I think it is. So, ls grep png. So I've got a bunch of images here. And I want to get the Pytorch image right here. I think it's this one. So pytorch.png. The swarm is building an LLM incident manager in Rust. Oh, really? That sounds like a good one. Hey, Floridian, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy to have you here. we're gonna draw an image with an AI. We're gonna have the AI draw an image. That's the only goal for today. Do you think we can I think we can do it. I think we can do it. Hi, I'm beginners. All right, I'm the tech coder. Okay, this sounds good to me. Oh, Western Online, thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it. We're going to be doing a lot of AI on this channel. This is the ASM person. Ivy Coder, Assembly. How's it going? How's it going? Good to see you. Happy to have you in here. Dude, that's so cool. I'm watching the whole thing. All right, that sounds good, Floridian. We're going to do it. We're going to make it happen. We're going to make it happen. We're actually going to draw an image. So that's the plan. So we're going to grab this image right here, the pytorch.png. We need to modify it though, because I don't want to actually, because you see here, there's also text. We're going to just not have the text for this first one. It's debugging right now. We'll publish crates and NPM today. Nice. That sounds great. That sounds great. Which LLM you use? I use all of them. I use Codex, right, with ChatGPT 5 Codex, as Sonnet with Anthropic, right? Gemini from Google. Those are the ones that I'm using. I like it. This work. It's been a while since we talked. How is it going? It is going very well. Thank you for asking. We've been doing more AI these days. I still want to get back to assembly because I dropped out of college and I never took the assembly classes. So I'm kind of curious to learn more about it because that was a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun. All right, so CP Pytorch. And then we want to bring that to the desktop, which is where was it? What directory? Tutorial? No, here ls dot. It's under. Wait, hold on. Dash lsrt. What? Where are we right now? PWD. Here we go. Pytorch. All right, of course. So we'll put it in tutorial. Here we go. So we can close that. Now we've got Pytorch in there. So what I need to do is I need to open that and then save it to a file. I need to open and save it. Love from India. All right, I'm tech coder. Sounds good. I studied computer science. Now I'm a farmer. Are you a farmer? Really, sir? I'm not here yesterday, so I don't understand the title. You don't understand a little? Okay, so I used Codex when Sonnet is stuck. Nice. Okay, so it's a backup plan. It's your backup plan. A problem with it as a pair programmer. Nice. Hey, Bubble Bear, welcome on in. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Why did I drop out? Because I had a business and I was already being successful at the business. And I'm like, okay, if I were to graduate, what would I do with the degree? I would be running this business. Oh, wait, I'm already doing that. What's the point? So then I just dropped out and went towards business. That's what it is. We're doing good. Thank you for asking, Bubble Bear. Love from Iran. All right. The good sounds good. Good to have you here. Can you check out my GitHub? I make machine learning models from ground up in Rust. Ooh. Scars of men. That sounds awesome. That's the right way to do it. You did it the right way. You're using Rust. We use a lot of Rust. Steven dropped the Discord. Oh yeah. So we do have a Discord channel. We definitely have a Discord channel. Check it out. Quantified Quantum. Just recommend checking out the Discord channel. We do have one. It is in our profile. You should be able to find it in the profile. Definitely sign it out. We got Quizity. How's it going, Quizity? Thank you for joining. We're doing some AI today. We're gonna make some AI happen. What's your GitHub, Steven? Oh, Steven LB. Steven LB. Hey, Joshua, welcome on in. Good to see you. Welcome on in, Joshua. Did the degree help you in your business? Nope, not even a smidgen. Okay, let's say there were a couple of classes that were not computer science related that I loved a lot, which was in the realm of creative writing. I thought was really great. The hero's journey, right? The story arc. Learning how to do that helped me from a business perspective tell a story when I'm, pitching products and things like that. So there you go. So that one class alone, did it really good. Really good. One class all by itself was that one. But it wasn't a hero's journey. You got it. Hero's journey is key. Nick Talk, you got it. It's the hero's journey. That's the one. That is absolutely it. It's it helps me a lot because it's every single story. Hungry money among us. Wait, what do you mean, Joshua? What do you mean by that? Is there a Rust implementation for Torch? Yeah, there is. It's just not as good, I would say. So Rust Pytorch, right? Pytorch. There is kind of. It's called Torch RS. It uses libtorch, which is the underlying library C++, right? Which is used for Pytorch as well. And then you can just run it in Rust. And it's the exact same thing. It's going to be faster. It's very similar. So like if we zoom in here, like let's zoom in, you guys. Just lock in over here. Check this out. It's pretty neat. So it's pretty close to exactly the same thing. And it's got some of the nice operator overload capabilities, right? So you can multiply tensors by numbers, and it does really good. What is your business exactly? Oh, all right. Since you asked, Pichu, Pubnub, yep, you got it. Where are you based? I'm in Seattle. Business is headquartered in San Francisco, building in Ella. You can check this out. All right, 6-7 Among Us. Got it. I figured that was going to be the answer. All right, so since you guys asked, check this out. So here's my business. This is my business right here. We're a communications API. We enable you to build delivery apps, right? So if you're delivering like delivery apps here, we've got like Swiggy, for example, multi-user collaborations with Adobe, multiplayer games, right? So we've got an API that allows you to enable multi-user experiences. It's an API that lets you connect users. You can build chat. You can build gaming. You can build IoT. Like you didn't know this, but you're already probably using my technology. You didn't even know it. Hey, Bob, Amazon Ligma already does it. Yep, you got it. And we do it better. We are way faster. We are globally distributed, and we've got some pretty good customers here. Let's check it out. This is AI. It is. Well, right now? Wait, Suite X. What are we talking about? We are talking about AI. We're definitely talking about it. Suite, that's making a platform called Green Dash for grass delivery. Yeah, that's happened before. I've seen that. Nice. The Salt Life. Hey, the Salt Life, good to see you. I remember you from previous. Hey, how's it going? Neo Oxide, good to see you. Welcome on in. Dang, that's so cool. And how did you start? We started there were no push notifications on mobile devices back when we got started. So you had the iPhone, you had some other devices. You couldn't communicate with them easily between devices. I'm like, wouldn't it be great if we could communicate easily between the devices? How you doing? We're doing great. And so that's when we started business, is because there were no APIs to allow communication easily. Check out your Discord bot. Might be covering converting to Rust. That's actually, that might be a good idea. I think right now, so Quantified Quantum, who is an admin in our Discord channel, runs the Discord bot and actually owns the Discord bot, built it from scratch. I believe with Python. It's with Python. Checking out, there you go. What GPU do you use for your training? It's an app. We're using the Metal backend. It's called Metal on Mac. So it's Metal on the back end. All right, let's see if we can actually get into it. Any recommendation for vector DBs? Build your own. I'd recommend to build your own because they're really simple. They're not that complex. You can index your vectors the same and then use any cosine distance algorithm or L2 distance, whatever you want to do. You can build it and you can make it easy. There's no need to have an actual database for it. The bot is barely written in right now. Is it? Okay, so you've got some time. So it's like the API you made, the first API. So yeah, Floridian, it's good question, Floridian. So it's about, the API, actually just check this out. Let's build it. So here, zoom in real quick so you can see here, there is a QR code on the screen if you want to try it out. However, you can see we've gotten some people, all you do is you publish a message, right, to send a message, and then you could subscribe to those messages on a mobile phone or a game console, on your laptop, on a computer, embedded devices like with microprocessors, and then you can send messages. As you can see, we've got lots of messages here. So you click publish, and that's the message, and then you can change whatever you want the message to be. You can change it. So we say, for example, Nick Talk, right? You can say Nick Talk there. Publish that, and then you can see it arrives on the other side. You could also say quantified quantum, right? There you go. And then you then click publish, and the message shows up there. And you could be anywhere in the world. You could be anywhere in the world. No need for IP addresses, you guys. And you can then build multiplayer game. You can do whatever you want. And so we've got a lot of gaming customers and a lot of collaborative business enterprise customers. What are you working on right now? Oh, Jefferson. Today we're going to be building an AI that can draw an image. A very simple one. We've never done this before. We're going to hand write it. We're going to hand code it. I just covered things from Pi to Rust for the fun of it. Nick Talk, you built it the right way. Nick Talk, that's the way to do it. Python and Rust are fantastic. Floridian, so it's like you made the first API. Yes. So I reread that one. Dude, you're blowing my mind. Nice, Floridian. Thank you for saying. we're building things today, and we've built things, and we've been successful, and I want to keep being successful. So the plan is we want to build an AI today that can draw an image. So that's what we're going to do. What do you think about the impact of AI in fields like web development or backend engineers? What do you think, which is safer to, if you're going to go about safety, go into security? I think that's a good one. So security is, the most spent line item from a technical perspective in enterprises. Security is number one on the list. No IP addresses. Yeah, Floridian, you don't even need to know what the IP address of the device is. We take care of that for you. It's all automatic. And you don't have to open up any ports. And you don't need to expose anything on your network. It's all secure through a tunnel. We have it securely communicated through a tunnel. And so all this data is encrypted and it's going through a tunnel. And you can see it on no matter where the device is, no matter what network the device is, whether the device switches between networks, right? It goes to 4G to 5G to Wi-Fi, and then you go, it doesn't matter. It works all the way around, so the IP addresses can change even, and it still works. In inverted convolutional neural network, maybe, not exactly though. I think we're going to try to keep it simple. What kind of model are you going to use for that? Oscillator, I don't know yet. We're going to find out. We've never done this before. So you can see here on our screen, this is where we left off yesterday, but we need to modify this. So this drew a circle. We taught the AI to draw a circle yesterday, and we were successful doing it. And so I want to do that. I want to do that today. So I want to do that as well today. I want to draw. What is the service and price, please? Ruben. This is PubNub. So we zoom out here, and the price is free to get started for 200 users, and it's free forever. It's free forever. I saw the circle. You did? We did good yesterday, didn't we? I thought it was really great. Yeah. So free forever, and then $89 to get to 1,000 users. And then if you want more, then you just talk to our sales team, and they'll help you figure out what the price will be from there. So if you don't mind asking, I have been following your company. I was curious, how do you end up networking, aka reaching out to those big companies? Oh, from a business perspective, we do traditional marketing, advertisements, and we have sales who reach out to different people and teams like that. So we're not doing anything complex or tricky or advanced. There's also called ABM, account-based marketing. It's called ABM, account-based marketing. We also use that strategy as well. We use that strategy too. So there's a lot of things there. What is the best free AI that can build a web with just prompts? Kimi K2 is probably the best free self-hosted version. Kimi K2. You can download it here. It's currently the state of the art that's available for you as a free downloadable model. I think that's the free one, but it's also from China. So, take that as what you're looking for. Take that as you're looking for from that. That can build a game also. It can get close, but no AIs are going to, even like the best AIs aren't going to build you a full-blown, like ready-made game unless you spend a lot of time on it. So there you go. There you go. All right. Waiting for PubNub through Tor. Oh, that would be neat. Quantified quantum. I didn't even think of that. That's a good idea. You could absolutely do it. Actually, the Tor network, I believe, allows you to do messaging. Even the Bitcoin network allows you to do the messaging as well. So if you want to do the Bitcoin network, you can do that too. You can definitely do that too. Messaging on the even Ethereum. I think Ethereum lets you do it. So you're at the whim of the public, but it's all public information though. It's all public. It won't be encrypted, but it's completely for free if you want it. We also support a completely for free option. So if you want that too, fully encrypted and everything. What you say? What? Kim2. Oh, Kimi T2. I'll type it in. Here, I'll drop it in our Discord. So it's called Kimi K2. I'll paste the link in our Discord channel here under the free resources. Here you go. There it is. Boom, on our Discord channel. There you go. Kimi K2 or Kimi K2. Yes, Kimi K2. Sachin, hey, how's it going, Sachin? Hey, Steven. Is there any open video generation models that can run on a Mac to generate videos for free? Yes, there are. Go to Hugging Face, and then go to models, and then look for, it's called image or a text to video. Look for text to video, or image to video, text to video. Here you go. So this one right here. And then you just click on that. I don't know if, I'll zoom in so you can see a little bit better. Click on text to video. or image to video, right? One of these two. And there you go. Free unlimited models. There you go. You can, I don't know which ones are the best though. I've never done it before. Getting from Ecuador. All right, Root Will. How's it going, Root Will? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Stephen, what are we working on today? Erwin Deep. We are working on our own AI as soon as we get a chance here. Bro, go tape your gradient. That's what I want to do. I want to tape the gradient. That's what we're going to do. We're going to build a Pytorch AI model that can draw an image. That's what we're going to do. Stephen, I'll be vanishing. All right, Quantified Quantum, feel better. Sounds good. Dude, I believe MLP might work to turn on and off pixels based on certain input if you use the right learning approach. All right, Osler, we're going to try. I'm going to see if we can do something simple and clean. We could also, I think we should be able to get something going here. We're going to draw just the pixels. We're going to keep it simple because we don't have we only have an hour or two here, or an hour here. We only have about an hour. All right. If I missed any of your chats, let me know. Just retype it. Retype your chat if I missed any of your chats. Here we go. All right. So first thing we need to do, I need to open Pytorch, and then we need to save it. We need to crop it. All right. So let's go ahead and crop this here. Copy and then new, and then, all right, perfect. And so now we're going to save this, just the emblem. We're only going to draw the image emblem. And so it is pretty, we'll save it. Okay. Pytorch, there we go, .png. Save that to desktop, close it. CP desktop Pytorch, and then we'll put it here. All right, so open, just double check to see it's the right one. Yep, looks good. All right, here's our emblem, you guys. This is what we're going to try to draw. We'll see if we can draw this. Do you think we will? I think we'll be able to get pretty close. Draw an image as in generative model. This won't be we might need to do a transformer, a generative model, but we'll find out. So let's see how far we can get. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to open the open PNG file, and we want to convert it to grayscale, I think. Convert to grayscale, and maybe normalize to 0 or 1. Just 0 or 1. I think that's what we want to do. So let's see here. How do we import? So what I need, why not power up the AI over 9,000%? What do you mean by that? I mean, you could, but like, why? Like, what do you think? You are my inspiration. Oh, Somayo, thank you. That's great to hear. Appreciate it. We're making it happen. We're gonna see if we can do it. I don't know if we will, but we'll find out. We'll find out, you guys. Draw an image, like prompt into an image. Erwin Deep, we won't be using like a prompt generator or a large model. We're gonna try to just do a simple model. Just a simple model. We'll do something simple. My swarms run and build while I sleep. Nice. Your swarms, Nick Talk, all your AIs, your LLMs, building your technology for you. Doing all the work tirelessly without you having to do anything. Yeah, I made something like that one time. Nice. There we go. That's what we're going to try to do. So I need to open up a PNG file. Thank you for the hearts. Thank you for the hearts. Appreciate it. Good to see those little floaty heart icons show up there on the screen. Okay, so let's see. Let's see if we can actually get some code here. All right, I want to define a function. Can we do this? Let's pop this up here. All right, so this reads image grayscale normalized. I don't like where this is going. I don't like this. All right, so if dimensions is, what I want to do is see what we can see here. Okay. Oh, you have to use pillow. I could use pill. We could import pill. I don't know if pip install pillow. It's called pillow, right? You said pill, right? Pillow. Wait, I think we can do that. Pip install pillow. Okay, we already got pillow installed. Let's see here. Hey, I think you should use some CNN-based architectures. DC GAN will be a good example. I think that would actually be a lot of fun if we could. We're going to try to keep it simple for this one, and then we'll get into the more advanced ones. Thank you for all the likes. I appreciate seeing the likes out there on the stream. Thank you for the floaty heart icons. I can see you do that. Also, for normalization and image operations, use Torch Vision. Oh, That's a good idea. So see, I've not used that Torch Vision, which I do have installed. Torch Vision load image. Let's see if we can do this. Let's read an image. All right, Torch Vision. Perfect. Thank you. This is way better. We don't have to use any other libraries. We can just use Torch Vision. That's really all right. So path to image, decode image. Okay, sounds good. All right. Transform, composed. Okay, scale, process image, transform. And where is this? Oh, got it. Okay, here we go. Let's copy and paste this in. We'll copy and paste this. We'll use this. I think this will be the one to do. I think we'll like this. Or Pygame. I'm really glad someone recommended Torch Vision. Who was that? Who recommended Torch Vision? Thank you for Erwin Deep. Thank you for the recommendation on Torch Vision. So we don't need that. We'll do this. We've got Torch. Here we go. So we'll do that for Torch Vision. Let's see here. Pop that over here. Okay, so I want to put this into a function here. So def load image, and then I want this to be path to image, or we'll just do this. Here we go. Path to image. I like that better. All right. All right. There we go. Okay. Image path. Image tensor. MVP, Erwin Deep, Torch Vision. Yeah, I know, right? Thank you, Erwin Deep. That's the way to go. That's the way to do it. Thank you so much. All right. So we don't need that anymore because we've got the path here. Image tensor decode, IO decode, Torch tensor list open. Interesting. All right. We'll see if that works. Google recommended this to us. So we'll see. I want to read that better. So here we go. Let's see if we can pop that over here. And then is this, okay, perfect. We'll do this. There we go. I want to be able to read it on the screen a little bit better. Okay, so this will load our image, and then we need to transform it. Show the Rust code. I know, right? For Burger, that's for a future stream. We'll be doing Rust, Pytorch, Rust AI. We'll be doing more of that in the future. Thank you for all the likes. Appreciate it. All right, here we go. So that'll be our image. Then we need to transform it because we need to convert it into, let's see, we do return processed image. So let's do that really quick. We don't need, I'll leave this here for now, but I don't think we need this. Actually, let's just delete it. Code is throwawayable, right? Code is disposable these days. We are disposable code. You code so fast. Thank you. We're fingers on the keyboard. You can type on the keyboard here. We're making things happen. All right, so let's pop that out. So I want to, let's open this. So we know in the present working directory we have, so let's do Pytorch image equals load image. Yep, there we go. Pytorch image tensor because this is the name of the function here. And then I want to print, out the actual Pytorch image. Print Pytorch, Pytorch, there we go. Excellent. Okay, and then I want to not do any of these other things. So let's delete that for now. All right, Python, what was it called? Image.py. All right, let's see if this works. Let's see if it works, you guys. Okay, so got initial error there. Torch transformers has no attribute to D type. Okay, so we might need to just, I think what I want to do is instead, let's leave that out for now. And then we will return just the image tensor, and we'll see what that looks like. We gotta type it properly. Typing too fast. Return image. There we go. Okay. Let's see what we got now. Okay. Oh, ooh. This is what I want. Why are we transforming anything? We didn't need to transform anything. This is already what I wanted. Okay. So this is the actual image and all the values within it. Okay, so is this our red, green, blue? All right, so we need to, so I see here, okay, so it looks like it's 194 by 140. Okay, I think it's .normalize, t.normalize mean standard. Oh, Erwin Deep, is it? Okay, let's see over here. So we need to normalize it. So what I want to do is, we do have a canvas. This is the size, and I just need to convert it. So what I want to do is we're going to keep it really simple. We're just going to do on and off. We're going to do on and off, 1 and 0. We're going to do 1 and 0 as the output. And it needs, and then it'll be on or it won't be on. So it's between the two. So, but we also need an XY coordinate output, I think. I think we'll go with that pattern. We'll go with XY coordinate. And then we'll draw it in our matplotlib because we already got those things set up. We need to draw a dot on the matplotlib. And then we'll see if we can train the AI. Because then we can animate it. Because remember, we can animate it. So let's see. T dot normalize. Let me look up the normalization. Oh wait, T. Oh, T. Okay, so Vision Torch normalize. Let's take a peek here. Let's take a peek at this really quick. Let's take a quick little peek here. What does that look like? How do we do this? Normalize a tensor image. Let's zoom in so we can read that a little bit better. Normalize a tensor image with the mean and standard deviation. This transform does not support pillow image given that mean and standard n for channels. So what is it? Mean STD in place. So what is then what in this case? Thank you for the badge. Thank you for the badge over there on the gift. Grease, thank you. Appreciate it. Appreciate from the badge. So wait, so this is the normalize function. How do we leverage this? Let's see, torch output channel, input channel. We need to process the input data is what we got to do because we've loaded the image, which gives us 4 channels, right? 4 channels, red, green, blue, alpha, right? Red, green, blue, alpha. And we could grab all of them and then flatten them basically. That's what I want to do. So we can flatten them, add them together, divide by 4 to normalize it, right? So we could hand code this ourselves. We could absolutely hand code this. Hi, Iran. Hey, how's it going? How's it going, Iran? Good to have you in here. Syed, good to have you in here. All right, let's pop it back over here. Let's go back. So what we could do is I think we can just do this ourselves. So it's a 4D array, right? So which is going to give us the 4 colors. Red, green, blue, alpha. Let me see if we can see it a little bit better. Let's see if we can see it a little bit better because I want to, let's see if we could do 0. And then maybe we'll do 0. I'm kind of curious to see what this looks like because I want to investigate it real quick. Let's investigate it. All right, let's see what that looks like. You can smell, sorry. New phone. All right. A new phone. Yo, there we go. New phones have smell-o-vision, you guys. Syntax, how's it going? Syntax Psychic, good to see you. Well, come on in. We're building a AI that can draw an image. Please tell me how you can write code and not just copy paste carefully. It seems like you can write portions which are even novel to you after reading some documentation. I'm seriously curious. Hey Ashford, how's it going? Good to see you. So maybe just after some time, I was able, well, here's the deal. It's decades. I've been doing this for a few decades. It just takes practice and you get used to it. Also, even after decades, I still don't know everything. I definitely don't. Hey, how's it going? Gurik, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. This channel that you subscribed to just now is going to be focusing a lot on artificial intelligence, Rust, the Rust programming language, Python, the Python programming language, and we will be building lots of fun AI projects. I think that's the plan. That's the plan. Right now, we're going to see if we can get an AI to draw an image. Let's see if we can teach the AI to draw an image. We've got things ready to go. No, I had mistyped on a previous message. So you're working on OpenCV. We're using Pytorch. So you see up here on the screen, it says Pytorch right up there. Right up there, it says Pytorch. That's the library that we're going to be using. OpenCV is a different library. It's good, I believe. Let's check out OpenCV real quick, everyone, so you know. OpenCV is for computer vision, right? CV is for computer vision. And there's a lot of neat, let's see, library, releases, platform, forum. Is there like where is it? Resources? Research, getting started. Perfect. Here you go. You know what? This seems very it's very corporate. It seems like it requires payment. That's what I'm getting into. That's what I'm seeing. But it looks like there might be some good opportunities here on OpenCV. We're just using Torch Vision is what we're using. We're using Torch Vision, Ashford. We're using Torch Vision. Kaushik, good to see you. Welcome on in, Kaushik. Hey, Sirga. How's it going, Sirga? Good to have you in here. Welcome on in. Thank you for subscribing. We're doing artificial intelligence today. We're going to make an AI learn to draw an image. You were thrown off by the 4 channels. We use those in OpenCV2. Yeah, the images. Yep, images. Most images, especially if they're PNGs, they include transparency. So that's the 4th, right? The 4th color. That's the 4th color is opacity. It's the 4th channel, you guys. Can you check what will be the output when you use mean 0 and standard deviation 1? Yeah, on the normalized. Let's do it. Let's do it real quick. So torch vision. So t.normalize. Let's try it. So we'll do t.normalize. Let me see here. But see, one thing is I don't understand how to use it though. It's not giving me what I want, right? So Boolean to make this operation in place, sequence of standard deviations for each channel, sequence of means. Okay, so I just pass in 100 viewers. No way! What are you guys doing here? Everyone, what are you doing over here? Wow, it's great to see everyone on here. I have not been paying attention. I've just been focusing on trying to get the image generation to work here. We're building our own. We're building our own image generator, you guys. That's Home Dave. We're building an image generator. That's the plan. That's the plan, Home Dave. That's what we're cooking. Thank you, everyone, for being here. All right, we're gonna see if we can make this possible. So the mean is gonna be equal to what is this? And the standard deviation is. So how does this work? Do I just pass this in? I don't think this is gonna work. I feel like this won't work. Normalized. Is this gonna even work? I feel like this won't work. Norm. Let's call it norm. Let's call it norm with an M. Here we go. See, I'm concerned. I'm very concerned. I'm not sure. Like, doesn't make any sense. That's going to give me an error, right? I feel like we're doing it wrong. Yeah. See, I don't think that gives us what we want. I don't think that's going to give us what we want. We need something different. It's really going to draw that image. Maybe Ashford. I don't know. When will we start? We're trying to start now. Rio Steven might be a different idea. Being a big shift into agentic gen use case, corporate cases, but that could be be a company. That sounds like a whole company. That's like a very own company. Why are you screaming? Oh, sorry. I've got a microphone here, and screaming is I'm just talking loud because the microphone only picks up so much. But on the phone, it picks up a lot louder. But the phone's also kind of far away. So see here, your Vim skills are commendable. Thank you. Yeah, we've been using Vim for many years. Normalized used as a preprocessor in the transform. Oh, gotcha. So it's a part of a layer or something. If you guys have any other ideas, let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to manually process the image. We're going to do it by hand. Replace 2D type with, oh, really? Where was that? Oh, gotcha. Here. Okay, so t.normalize right here. Normalize like that. Is that what you're saying? t.compose.transform. Let's try it. Let's see. Okay. All right. We'll see. We'll see how it goes here. We'll see. All right. I don't know if it'll work now. Let's see. Torch 32-bit scale true t.transform. Okay. Got it. All right. Let's see if that works. Is it going to work? No. It doesn't work. Wait, how is your video auto transcribing so well? Because I have some software that I wrote 7 years ago. You just go Twitch, TV, OBS, subtitles, right? Subtitles. And you go GitHub, and that should show up. Here we go. It's number one. It's number one here. Check it out. I wonder if I show up here on the. Here we go. It shows up the first thing. But yeah, it's this right here. It's linked on our Discord. So if you join on our Discord, you can get the link. It's right here. That's how it works. That's how it translates so well and so real time and super fast. And you know why it's doing real time? Because it's communicating over my technology. Isn't it fast? It's really fast. Yeah, we're using our technology right now. My API. So Mayo, what are we doing? We're trying to get an AI to draw an image. However, this part isn't working. This particular part for whatever this is, that I don't know what that is. So we're gonna have to do it manually. Change parameter, brother, to normalize 0, 1. Okay. Thank you. All right. We're going to try it one more time. 0, 1, 0, 1, like this. Okay. There we go. All right. All right. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I'm actually kind of curious. Is that better now? Is that better now? It's even worse. It's even worse. What are you talking about? It doesn't like that at all. Give me the means and standard as args in the normalize. So if that's good, I don't know if that's good. Is that good? It's definitely not working. That is definitely, we're doing Pytorch coding right now. That's what we're doing. So let me double check here on the screen. Does it look like we're doing okay? Does it look like we're doing okay? Let me double check. Normalize, blah, 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 0,1. All right. Well, we're going to, until you tell me different, we're going to be doing this manually. We're going to be processing it manually. I'm pretty sure we can do okay on that. It should be a list. Okay. A list, like you said? All right. So you said list. Are you sure? Are you sure? I don't know. It doesn't like that. It's expected at most one argument, got two, but got it. Okay. So like that then? Like that? All right. I don't know if it's going to work. I don't know. It doesn't like it either. It doesn't like it. Cast type. So type 0 for each channel, 1 for each channel, like it said in the documentation. All right, let's double check. Oh, all right. So, all right. Let's try it. Let's see if we can try it. Let's see. Okay, torch trend mean standard deviation. Okay, so it should be like this. A bunch of numbers or something. So like this, a bunch of numbers. You said. Let's find out here. Actually, you know what? Let's see if it auto completes. Okay, here we go. Like that. Okay. Is it better now? Nope. It doesn't like it. It doesn't like it. Why don't you use Claude Code? We could totally use Claude Code. But we're gonna skip trying to do anything with this going for, because we got to get going here. We got to get going, guys. All right. So for the ion range, we're gonna go 4. I think will be fine. And then image tensor. So let's see. I want to. Okay. So this will. Do I want here? We need to think about the output really quick. 1 for each channel. Normalize. Oh, there's a 4th one. Okay. All right. Thank you for the reminder. Let's try it. We'll try it one more time. This is the last time. We'll try it one more time. Let's see here. There we go. Comma 1. We can figure this out. And then Control V, close that, and then highlight these guys. Bring these guys back. Next. Okay. Better now, is it? Nope, even worse. Like, 1 for channel. You have 4 channels, buddy. Yep, you're totally right. We do. We have 4 channels. You're absolutely right. But it still is not satisfied. Do we need the normalize the tensor? All right. So what if, do we need to, if t.compose, what if we instead tried it like this, and then we put the image tensor here, and we said processed equals that. Is that going to work? Do you think that'll work? I don't know. We're going to try it. We'll see if it works. That is not, let's see here. We don't need that. Okay. Is it better now? Oh, wait. Oh, okay. Here we go. We'll do that. It seems to be working. It seems to be working now. Return. There we go. Okay. Let's see what we got. We might not have to do this manually anymore. Nope. Just kidding. Here. Oh, thank you. Transform t compose t dot normalize 0. Yep. Yep. We got that. Okay. We tried that. That didn't work. We tried that. That didn't work. So close. I know it's so close. It's better now. It's definitely better now. But in the transform. Okay. We'll try it in the transform. Here we go. Transform compose t dot normalize. We obviously we can't do that. But we can do this. Here we go. We'll say processed. There we go. Processed image. Let's see. Better, worse, much worse. All right. True t dot tensor after the normalized. Oh, okay. So t dot tens. You said tensor. Here we go. Tensor like that. Something like that. All right, we'll try that. Okay. Wait, no, where is, we just do torch. Well, it doesn't seem to like it. Module torch has no attribute tensor. Did you mean 2 tensor? Let's try it. 2 tensor. All right. Let's see. Are we better now? Did we get it? Nope. Still not good. It's still not good, you guys. Still not good. All right. Let's go back to the manual approach because that is not a thing that is working. So let's see. Processed. Here we go. Equals. We need it to be. We need it to be a single. It's going to be a single array. So how do we want to do this? We should do XY. I want it to be XY. So it should be a multi-dimensional array. So that way, or we could expand it from there. We need to listen to the keyboard cherry switches. I know, right? We've got some keyboard here. Sorry, T.2 tensor, I think. Yeah, we just tried it. Is 20 minutes left? I know, right? We only got 20 minutes left now. And we are stuck on the initialization of just doing basic image processing here. This is too advanced for me. Just started learning Python. Hey, it's okay. You're on the right track. The first step to being good at something is being the beginner. So you're in the right spot. Okay, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna go like this. All right, so blah, 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 image, we can flatten, we can convert between 0 and 1 for the output, but I don't want to do that either. I think I want to, do we want to, so here's what the output I want looks like. It'll be the X and Y and whether the image should be on or off. So that will be, and the input will be a bunch of numbers that represent the context window, essentially. So the input numbers will be the context window or the position, and the output's going to be, right, so X, Y, and whether it's on or off. I think that's as far as we need to go. So X, Y, on or off. And then we'll see if that works. We're going to try it. We're going to give her our best shot at it. Processed. All right, so here we go. Processed I, and then we want to convert. So we need to do this in multiple steps. So let me just print out. Let me see what this is. Let me see what this looks like first, and then I'm going to close this here. Just print that off, and then see what that looks like. At least we're not going to have any more errors. Okay, so a bunch of zeros because it's mostly empty space. You're Boba Bear, you're back. All right, you didn't miss anything because we got stuck at the beginning, so we're doing fine. We're doing okay now. We're on our ways. Didn't you forget to cast it to float in the previous example? It seems to work, but you cast it to float. Is that what we got to do? We got to cast it to a float. The dot to float. Maybe. Oh, dot to float. Hey, Michael, thank you for joining, Michael. Good to have you in here. Oh wait, you tipped. You actually sent money. What are you doing sending money? That's amazing. Why did you? Thank you. I was not at all expecting it, but thank you. Thank you for the 27. It'll be 20 minutes left for the 30 minutes. Thank you. Appreciate it. Also, I missed a notification there. So thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing. We're gonna see. So you said dot to float. We're gonna try one more time. We'll try one more time here. We'll see. We'll see if it works here. Here we go. Pop that out. You said dot to float. Wait, hold on. Where's it? Where's the float at? Float. Here we go. There we go. All right. Something like that. Is that what you're saying? Michael, thank you. Thank you again, Michael. That was amazing. Unexpected, but also amazing. Okay. Return. Transform. Processed. Here we go. It didn't crash that time. No, just kidding. Just kidding. Of course it's not going to work again. Are you rendering something? Yes, you're right. ZZ drop. We are definitely rendering something. We are absolutely we're going to train an AI to draw an image. We've got a lot of Pytorch recommendations here, although it definitely does not work. So we're going to try to manually modify the data ourselves. We'll try to manually modify the data. I think you need to remove the image tensor as a right. Right here. Okay, like that. Okay, we'll try it again. We'll try it one more time because you asked for it, chat. Because you asked for it, we will do this for you, chat. Bring that back. All right. See here. Here we go. Nope, that didn't work either. It's not the thing that we were hoping for all along. It keeps failing. All right, so let's pop this back here for process. We do want to return process though, so we'll keep that going there. So all right, so my image tensor is a, let's see here. Let's bring that back. Where is, what am I looking at? You are looking at, we're building an AI. Change your transformer to the first, convert to the image to float, then apply ImageNet normalizations. Oh, is it really? Is that what we got to do? How do we even do that? What does that even look like? See, I've never used Torch Vision before. I only know how to do this manually. Expect the unexpected, cause you transform it after. So weird. I just handed the assignment using Compose and it worked fine. And when I did these things, I know it's always works on someone else's computer, right? Use T.2 float tensor before. Okay, let's try it. All right, let's try it. So you said here T.2 float tensor. All right, float tensor like that. There we go. All right, we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it again. Let's see if we go. If we keep trying these things, we're not, and it keeps not working. We are definitely not gonna. We'll see if we can finish though. We'll see. Okay, return. We'll see. All right, let's see if that works now. Is it gonna work? It worked less terribly that time. It didn't die. All right, T.2 float tensor. Is that right? T2 float tensor. Yeah, there you go. It doesn't like it. It's not a thing. It says there is no such thing as a 2 float tensor. No such thing as a 2 float tensor. Why don't you use Jupyter? Oh, like a Jupyter notebook? We could. I just like this environment better. I liked, are you on VS Code? Because I can't get, you can't get something, the lines. We're using Vim. We're using Vim, you guys. We're using Vim. Just select \. Oh, we could do that. I mean, that's GP5 can do this, bro. I totally can. You're right. The AI can actually do this for us. We're just trying to, we're doing it ourselves. We're doing it ourselves. Oh, wait. Okay. Compose, convert image type, convert. Oh, Fabian, thank you for subscription. All right. Let's see if we can get this work. Normalize. Okay. Compose, normalize. All right. All right. We're going to try this. We got a recommendation here. We got a recommendation. Just double check to see if that's a thing or not. Is it a thing? It looks like it might be. All right, here we go. We got a recommendation here. I'm gonna type it in. All right, let's do it. Transform equals T.compose, and then we want to convert image D type to a torch float 32. And then we want to T.normalize, like that, but with some very specific numbers. All right, we'll try it. 485. What are we doing? This is 456. 456, and you said 406. Okay, 406, and I guess we'll just do that here as well. 1.1.1. All right. Let's see what that does. Is that going to work this time? All right, we can comment this out really quick. We don't need this anymore. Let's type it properly here. Perfect. Okay. All right, we did it now. Oh, you know what? You know what just happened? Hush, you know what just happened? You solved it for us. I think you just completely solved it for us. Although, I am not sure this is what the data that we like is, because this looks weird. I don't know if it's the right data. This is actually kind of interesting. Let's see here. 1 second. Hello, Steven. Sush, I'm late today. Hey, no worries. You're all good. We're just getting started. So it worked, but it didn't give me what I wanted. It worked, but it didn't give me what I wanted. You're almost there. Now just use pill image instead of loading the image in the tensor directly. So the good news is we've already got the image. We've already loaded it. And now we just want to vectorize it in the right shape. So Hush, you figured it out. What are we doing? We're trying to train an AI to draw an image. But we're stuck at the very beginning. We're just trying to transform the image. That's what we're doing. We're transforming the image. So yeah, that worked, but it didn't do anything. That's what it is. Real Clean Blob, how's it going? Good to see ya. Those values are just means and standards that worked well for things like ResNet. Okay, gotcha. 20 minutes left. I know, right? We already got 20 minutes left. Thank you for the gift. Appreciate it. I see it showing. What are we doing? We are making our AI work here. So I don't know what that does. It doesn't give me what I want. So we do have to get going. So let's see. We don't want that anymore. So I've got the image. I want to convert the image. So for each channel, there is going to be an array. So maybe what we can do is maybe we'll just grab the red. So red, green, blue, right? So let's grab the very first. Let's grab the first one. So 0, which would be the first color, right? So the first channel. And then the first row, right, will be I. And so what I need to do is, so let's see here. So we don't want range. We want it to be image. Let's see. Let's look at the shape. Print shape. I want to see the shape of the image. Here we go. Printing the shape. Let me comment this out for a second. Okay. We will be only doing Pytorch today. So then the second item. Okay, so what we can do is we can use this to get the dimensions of the image. And we can also do this to create the output size and length of our image as well, I do believe. So we do it. Did you make a circle? We did. We made a circle, Eddie Legendary. It worked. Read an image is worth 16 by 16 words. We can go even further. We can go way more than 16 by 16. We can go 194 by 140 if we wanted to, which is what we're going to do. We're going to do that. What transformer model are you using? We're just going to try out with a basic deep learning, multiple layers, and we'll see how far we get. All right, so I want to, so the image.shape, so see here, shape, let's just type this really quick. Image.shape will be this, right? So we got our shape here. And then I want to grab, oh wait, actually what we could do is, so shape, what was it? Short, so it's a size. If we can, so can we, my question is, can we say print shape, print the first, what I want is to see if we can print out the shape at like position 0 and then position 1 and position 2 like that. Can we do that? Is that going to work? I'm actually curious to see if that works. All right, here we go. Okay, perfect. That's what I want. Okay, so we're going to say this will be the channels, and then we'll say height and width. Perfect. All right, this is what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. So now we have the data that we need to get started for processing our image. Nice. Yeah, I know, right? I know. Nice. I'm actually can I see the circle by chance? Yeah, we'll show you the circle really quick. Python, let's see, is called what was it called? NN. Here we go. Here's the circle. Here's the circle. Are you ready? It should show up here any second. There you go. That's what we did yesterday. We got the circle. We did it with the circle. We had the AI learn how to draw a circle. See, now it's like learning very, very slowly to learn how to draw a better circle. There you go. There's the circle. No, it's an article about an image generation and identifying. Oh, gotcha. A single channel tensor you need to make. Yes, that's what we're going to do. We're going to convert the art. That's exactly what we're going to do. We're normalizing it. We're going to convert it to normal. I'm going to convert it into one channel. That's the idea. So it'll be on or off. Isn't that neat? Look, that's what we did yesterday. So I'm going to close that so we don't have that going anymore. All right. So now we've got our channels. And then we want the height and the shape. So what I could do is I can add up all the channels. So what I want to do is say, so for all the channels and then all the different, so let's say process. Let's go for, I know. All right. So H in range height and then for W. Perfect. All right. This is almost what I'm looking for. So this will be the value. Let me print the value because I really, really want to see that. This is what I really want to see. So let's see here. So this will be, what is that? Is that going to actually get us? What is that going to even get us? Like, cause I'm actually kind of curious what this will be. What is that going to look like? Here we go. Image. Pretty sure you can't. One second. There we go. 1 second. Let me pop that over here. Okay. Pretty sure you can't just go transform image tensor, but need to use a data loader. Got it. Yeah. See, there are better ways. Benny, you're totally right. There are better ways to absolutely do this. Let me see. Okay, that is a little too much to scroll through. So if value greater than, let's say 128, we'll print the value. This is what I want to look at. I want to make sure that I'm seeing things here. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Oh, that's what I want. Now we're into it. Now we got to it. Okay, so this will be exactly what I want. Okay, so I will be able to, we'll call this a normalized, normal. We'll call it normalized. We'll just call it norm. I'd call it norm here. Norm, and then we will say norm dot append value. All right. So, but otherwise, else, else norm dot append. Perfect. What actually is, we're just going to convert it to 1. There we go. Easy. Much better. That's what I want. That's what I wanted the whole time. I never thought I would see a circle with that. Impressive. Isn't that neat? I thought it was neat. Hey, Benny, you subscribed. Thank you for your subscription. I appreciate it. I appreciate your subscription there. All right. Let's get back into it here. So this is what I was looking for the whole time. Although what I need to do is I need to go 1. So I is actually going to be C. And then we need C because that's the channel, right? But what I want to do is we only want to go for we don't need C. So what I'm going to do is I'm only going to look at the red. So we're simplifying, guys. We're simplifying. We're cutting corners here. So 0 should give us the red channel, right? So that should give us the red channel. All right, let's print it. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see what it looks like, guys. I'm actually kind of curious. Return processed. This will be the, it's not quite Pytorch, but we'll see. Oh, we forgot syntax error. We got a syntax error, you guys. There we go. Boom. Boom. All right. I think it's understand some parts of that code. A few parts, right? Here we go. Let's see, process. Oh, we called it norm. So we need to change this norm. There we go. There we go. Now we're at it. Okay, this is what I want. All right, check this out. All right, let's see here. What I want to see is, I should see some 1s in here. Here we go. Here we go. Look at that. Okay. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Now this is what I was looking for the whole time. This is what I wanted. We were trying to do something complex before. Now we got exactly what I wanted. That's what I wanted the whole time. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, that's so good. Okay. So that gives us how do we want to do this? So we can do this a couple ways. We could just have it one hot output, and then we could go through all the positions and then manually map it. But what I'd rather do is have the AI learn like coordinates and positions. So I'd rather go a step further. Matrix time. I know, right? In the Matrix, pillow, right? We could use pillow. We absolutely use pillow, but this is what I want. We already got what I wanted. Why do we need to use a library when all we have to do is just do a little for loop here? And so what I want to do is we want to check this out. Okay, so we need to put that into an array, like this, an array, so that way we get into the right shape, right? And then, so this is going to be the output data. This will be the output target data. So what I want also is to do the position of the, how do we do this? We could, Steven. Hey, Steven, we share a name. Your name and my name is the same. We even spell it correctly. Very nice. Spelling it correctly. Steven, good to have you in. Thank you for subscribing. We're going to draw ourselves some image with an AI. We're going to have the AI draw an image. That's the plan, you guys. We're going to have AI draw the image. I'm actually really excited about this. Okay, so we've got the H. So we've got the H and W. So on, off. So I'll say H and W. But that's not exactly what I want. Right? It's not exactly it because we need to normalize it, but also at the same time, yeah, okay, let's just do this. Divided by HEIGHT. Perfect. We'll do that as well there. We'll do that here, and then we'll do that over here, W width, right? The same. Exactly. Okay. Now let's take a peek at that to make sure it looks good. Is it going to look good? I don't know. Hey, how's it going? How's it? I can't pronounce your name, but hey, how's it going? Good to see you. I'm really curious, how do you manage multiple file projects? Do you do it by terminal? Yes, by terminal, you got it. Or do you generally code single file projects? Oh, multiple file projects, all in the terminal, all with Vim. All of them with Vim, you guys. All with Vim, always, forever. No VS Code, no cursor, but I do use things like Codex or Claude, right? We could do those things all from the terminal window. And so that's the way I do it. That's the way I do it, you guys. All right, so I think this is what I'm looking for. So that is the output. So that'll give us the X and Y, which is good. All right, that gives us the X and Y coordinate. I think this is what we were looking for. Are we almost there? Did we almost do it? Is this it? Are we almost there? I'm actually really excited about this. All right, let's delete all this other code that we tried to get work that didn't work at all. I'm trying to get rid of that. There we go. All right, cleaning up some stuff here. All right, looking good. All right, print image, looking good. Yep. All right, so this isn't quite a tensor though. It's a regular image. We need to convert it into a tensor. How do we do that? Let me see here. Control W, V. There we go. I want to open up this here. Look for torch. How do we convert that to a tensor? With this, let's do tensor \c. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. The C. Oh, perfect. There we go. That's what I want. So this will be the Y. Perfect. This will be the Y. All right. Y. There we go. There's the output. We got the output. We did it, you guys. Why don't you use Claude? Because we are doing this the hard way. Because we're doing the hard way. Poop pants. We're doing it the hard way. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for following. Appreciate it. Can you check the code I shared? Oh, sure, Erwin Deep. Did you share it in Discord? This is so cool, but I'm late. It's a little late for you. Need to go to sleep. All right, Eddie Legend. Enjoy your sleep. Sleep well. I hope you have a good sleep. Hey, Bob, how's it going? Chris, how's it going? Thank you for the badge. Appreciate the lights, you guys. Thank you for all the love. I appreciate it. Okay, so we got our Y data. Now our X data. What's that going to look like? That'll be a number between all of the possible. So we can generate X like this. So check this out. We want to generate X by looping through Y. So I think we could do this. We can do this. So image, here we go. Like that. Oh wait, no. We'll call this the image. We'll call it the image. There we go. The image there. We don't need to print it out anymore because we're happy about that. Here we go. Paste image. Perfect. And then what I want is to make the X. We need to make the X next. I like you, man. Hey, thank you for the appreciate it. That sounds that's a really good compliment. Appreciate it. When will be bot ready? When will the bot be ready? Are you talking Gudo? Gudo, are you talking about the AI that we're writing right now? Thank you for the likes. I appreciate it. Do you use Claude in your professional life? Yes, I do. I use it off stream. Would you say it's still worth learning how to code? Yes, I do. Because you need to be able to read the code, and I think it's right now today. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. You're waiting for it. All right, nice. We'll make it work. We'll make it work. We're very close. We're very, very, very close. We're very close. So all I need to do is make the X, and then we need to train the model, and then we'll train the model. So we're very close. I just joined. What are we building? Cooper Kina. We are building an AI that can draw an image. Well, it's a very simple version. We're keeping things simple. This is like introductory level artificial intelligence. We're going to see if we can make it work. And we're going to make it work with the best of our ability that we have minimal knowledge based on the Pytorch library. So any help, any suggestions you have, let me know. So did you say that you pasted in I don't see, sorry, you said you put in, where'd you put the code? Where'd you put the code? You just subscribed? Max, thank you for your subscription. Appreciate it. Thank you for your subscription. Sometimes we get notifications that show up, but they choose when to show up or not. I never know. X equals pixel coordinates. Yep, you got it. H, height, width. Yep, 1 or 0 based on the threshold. You got it. You figured it out. Hush. You got it. Hush. That's it. You figured it out. Hush. You figured it out. All right. So what about the algorithmic trading thing? Oh, yes. Do you use the print money? We could if you wanted to, but I specifically like to not do that because it's very consuming. It's very consuming because you want to see if it's still working. If you deploy you deploy it and you want to see if it's still working and you don't know if it's working or not. So that's the scary part. X equals image. So we need to, what do we need to do? So what we could also do is return the X here as well, but it's basically going to be width times height. So what I want to do is I need to do a range. Here we go. I got it. Range equals width times height. There we go. That's what I want. Now we're into it. That was easy. Everyone's like, you should do this other harder thing to do. I'm on my phone, written the code on YouTube. Oh, did you? That's a hard task. That's a challenge, you guys. That's a difficult challenge. Well, thank you for the lightning bolts. What is that? What are those lightning bolts? I've never seen that before. Thank you. Appreciate it. There we go. Getting some lightning bolts. I don't know what that's about, but all right. Number one, becoming a fan. Thank you. Thank you, Studious. Thank you, Studious Talk. Appreciate it. All right. You wrote that on your phone, did you? Irwin Deep. Okay, so where did you write this? Irwin Deep. Can you check? Oh, hey, S41900. Thank you for your subscription. As you saw there, sometimes notifications show up. Thank you for your subscription. Did you say from pill import image? Is that what you typed in? Is that all it was? Yeah, we could do pillow, but we don't need to. We're good to go. We got everything we need. We're done. We've got our input data. We're ready to go. So let's do this. Let's open up our model here. Let's copy in our model. And then let's copy the rest of it. Here we go. Perfect. Okay. So now we've got our model here, which we did yesterday. So you saw yesterday on stream, we got our model. Very simple sequential model. Part way through my data science masters, just about the machine learning libraries. Hey, Studious, there you go. The machine learning libraries. That's the way to do it. That's what we're trying to do. We'll learn more. So I do want to go through more tutorials on Pytorch because Pytorch is very powerful. And obviously we're not using all of it because you guys have recommended many excellent topics to cover that we just we need to get into. We need to get into it. So let's pause one there. This is going to be we're drawing an image, draw image, or we're going to draw the Pytorch image. There we go, Pytorch image. So figure 10 to 1. All right, we'll try that. We'll see what this looks. Standard gradient descent looks good. Now we need to create our batches. Now we could do 100%. Do you think it'll work on 100%? No, you written more. Oh, it didn't show up. It didn't come across. If you wrote more, I think YouTube. I think the I think it didn't show up. I think it was then return.t.2 tensor. It's not showing up on YouTube. Or darn it, we're not supposed to say platform names because it brings up problems if I do that. It's not showing up on the chat. You have to paste it into Discord, I think. I think you got to put it into the Discord channel. Anyone, as long as you break into small enough problems, it is. Yep, is right. Can you build an algorithm trading bot? Yeah, we could. King, that's what we did. We did that. We actually did that in previous streams. We were successful. Hey, Mark Chin, thank you for your subscription. I appreciate it. We're going to be building more AI. And someone was talking about building a algorithmic trading bot, which we already did. We already did it, and it's on our Discord channel. All you got to do is join the Discord channel, and you can see what we did previously. Okay, so draw a Pytorch image. Pause, optimizer, epoch. So here's the inputs. So I think this should give us actually something, but what we need to do instead though, we can't do this. I don't think we can do this. I'm pretty sure we can't do, can we do that? Maybe, so let's get rid of this because it's not a circle. Let's just see what it does. Let's see what happens. I've written again in 2 comments. Can you read? No, it does not show up. It doesn't show up. It won't show up. I don't know why it's not showing up. I think the chat algorithm makes it disappear. Let's talk. I have opportunity. Would you definitely like? Really, King? Really? Because we built a pretty good one. We built a really good one. We built an excellent one that I was really happy about. Okay, so this won't fully work because what I need to do is, instead of drawing a line, it's not X, Y, Z. It's the point P, O. We'll call it P0. Looks like that. So P0. Let's jump up here. Where was it? So our value is going to be on or off. So at the first position. Perfect. Okay. P0, first position. So we increment those. That looks good. Then we have our limit. Okay, maybe. Would that work? Yeah, it should work because everything's between 0 and 1. So that looks good there. Hey, Dreamer, how's it going, Dreamer? Do you need masters to become an AI engineer? Nope, you don't, because I dropped out of college and we're doing okay. Leave it then. I've written again in it's Irwin Deep. Sorry, yeah. If you put it in Discord, it'll probably show up in the Discord. All right, here we go. So there are our points. Now I need to say if, P0. So, we won't. Oh, actually, here's what we got to do. We need to think about this. So we can't just plot. We need to draw a dot. So here we go. We need to draw a dot. So let's see here. Matplotlib draw dot. at xy. Let's see how we do this. How do we do this? I think it's just a plot. It's still just straight up plot? So we just draw a single plot. So one coordinate, one dot. These coordinates of points or lines. I want to do points. How do we do points? Points. How do we do points? XY or FMT data index points plot. Maybe. Okay. Oh, is this it? Okay. Line. Oh, so it's a line, right? We're doing no more H1Bs. Uh-oh. Oh no, that's terrible. Specifically for internet. What language is this? We are doing Python, you guys. We're doing Python. I dropped out of med school to switch to tech, and that means anything. So much free knowledge out there. I know with tech, with free knowledge, you could absolutely do it with tech. How do you get a hold of a talk one-on-one? Oh, King, just send me a direct message, or join the Discord. King, join the Discord, and then we can chat there, or just send me a direct message. Send me a direct message, and then we're good to go. Thank you for Floridian. Thank you for becoming the #1 badge. Your dad said he would be there. Okay, nice. What we got over there? Oh, who is this? Bazy. How's it going, Bazy? Welcome on in, Blazy. Good to have you here. We're going to be doing artificial intelligence, you guys. Thank you for the lightning bolts. Hey, we got some more lightning bolts, you guys, from Studious over here. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Studious. All right, let's pop this back over here. All right, now let's jump in. So what I want to do is draw a point. I want to draw a single dot. How do we do that? You know what? We'll try. Here's what we'll do. We'll just try it and see what happens. So we need to see, here's the problem. P0, and then I need to draw a dot or not a dot. So what we need to, I think what we could do is, here, this is better. Okay, so we don't need P0. What we need to do is, we need to say P0 equals 0.0. And then, actually just this. We'll just do it like this. If 0.0 greater than 0, right? Then, boom, like that, right? No, not like that. Here, there we go. Instead, we will do this. We'll say px equals. Actually, you know what? Why bother? Let's just jump right in. We'll just jump right into this. I like this better. Here we go. No need to any temporary variables. No need to append anything. Okay. So now we'll plot. Do we need? Let's not do that. We'll pop that up here. 99 back. Okay. Let's bring this over here. Okay. Now, let's see if we could get it. You want to join the Discord? Excellent. So it should be in our profile. You should use the Temple OS AI. Oh, I've never done that before, Studious Talk. I'll have to check it out. Just send the Discord. Just sent it in the Discord. Oh, Torva. Okay, cool. See Torva. Here we go. Okay, general chat. Here we go. And where'd you send it, though? Where did you send it? So our Python gurus would advocate for dumping everything into one liner. I know, with a list comprehension. Absolutely. I like list comprehension. L4 Topher. I like list comprehensions as well. I don't see anything. Torva, is it in the mod chat? Like maybe it's over here, like in a spot where I won't. It'll show up on stream. Okay, actually, you know what? We could probably do this. Here we go. Let's see, mod chat. Here we go. Please write me the, okay, nope, that's not it either. Okay, well, let's pop this back over here. All right, let's get back into it. All right, so that may or may not work. Let's see. Let's find out. I don't know. Is it going to work, do you guys? Do you think it's going to work? I don't know if it will work or not. I think we're going to have to do some things. We don't want this anymore. Let's get rid of that. There we go. We don't need that anymore. We want that. Okay. So let's try it. Let's see what happens. Width. Okay. Range, width. Okay. Got it. That's fine. Shape. Image that shape. Tensor that shape. Okay. So we need to grab this up here. Where do we grab? Okay. So here is our image. And then we need the width and height. We need to capture that out right quick. Temple OS AI is good. It's very good, Florida. Is it? I thought we'll have to check it out at some point. Thank you for the advice. Thank you for the advice. No, I meant Erwin, since YouTube. Oh, yes, thank you. Yeah, Torva's saying, Erwin, if you have a chance, put it into the Discord, because YouTube or the chat won't let you put it in there. The chat won't let you put it in. For whatever reason, it won't let you do it. It's blocking it. Like, that's what's happening. It's not showing up. It might show up on your side, but it doesn't show up on my side. Okay, so what we need is we need the shape. I need to grab this. I need to grab the width and height. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Okay, so where do we grab this from? So here's the image. I need to make sure to grab, we need these guys here. So I could return, here we go. Width, height. We're just gonna do that. HEIGHT. Perfect. So image, width, height. Perfect. HEIGHTH. There we go. Now we should be good to go. All right, let's just do that. We'll do it. We'll keep it simple, right? Keep things simple and clean. Oh, something's happening. Oh, okay. Learning rate not defined. We can fix that. That's not a problem. We can absolutely fix that. Learning rate equals, let's do 0, 1. Okay, we'll do 0, 1. Or if you want, right, we could do like a 1E -3, right? We could do 1E -3 just to feel more scientific. Why would there be multiple widths within one height? There is not. Wait, there's not. There's only one. There's only one width. One width. So did we do it wrong? No, this is right. Norm width height. Width height looks good. Looks good. Looks good to me. I'm happy with that. All right. All right. It's popping up here. Oh, we got an error. Okay, so linear width. Oh, yes. Oh, I know. All right. Yeah, I know what's going on. I know what's going on. All right, so bop that up here. 3. There we go. That's the output. We got to make sure to get the output the right shape. These errors sometimes don't look very nice, do they? Okay, so input position 1 must be a tensor. Oh, got it. Yep. Okay. We can fix that as well. We know how to fix that. Torch tensor. There we go. Like that. Bop that over here. And then this will be a, hold on a second. We need to normalize that. We didn't normalize. We almost did it. We almost did it. We're not there yet though. We forgot to do something. Hey, how's it going? Para, how's it going? Welcome on in. Good to see you. Wow, we're streaming a lot today. You're looping through widths inside of the height loop though. Oh, are we? Yes, we are, and that's fine. That's fine. That's how it works. I believe that's, or should it be the other way around? So it goes width, height, or channel, height, and width, because it does each row. So these are the rows, and this is the rows, and these are the columns, right? So that should work. That should work. I know it looks weird. But that probably, I think that'll work, because basically the width is going to be the row itself, the row data, and then this will be or something like that, right? This is the row data, and this is the row number. So it seems maybe my variable names are weird. That should probably work though. Why are we going so fast? Hey, we're going pretty normal speed. I think we're doing normal speed. Are we Shiloh? Is this live? Yes, it is. It's live right now. This very second. We're at live. We're doing it live. Let's see. Okay. Yep. Okay. Range. Okay. So, but all right. So we need to do some math. We need to do some math here. What is that? One second. Here. Let's do. Yes. This is what we need to do a division. So this is the range, and then we need to process this to be between 0 and 1, or so, and then that will be the input data. That'll be in the input data. I saw you on Lex. Amazing. Just joined. Trying to figure out what's going on here. Oh, Pytorch. Yes, this is it. No Pytorch. That's it. You got it. This is this on Colab? It should be, right? Like a notebook of some sort. You could absolutely put this in a notebook if you wanted to. So we need to process this here. We need to process this. This isn't over yet. We need to convert this. So this is not going to be what I want. So let's just print the X really quick. Let's print X, delete that really quick, and then jump over here. What does X look like? Yeah, see, that's the numbers are too big. like very too big, like a smidgen too big, like just a little bit too big there. So we need to fix that. I'm lost. Can you tell me what we're doing? All right, Dylan, what we're doing is we're building an AI that can draw an image. We're drawing an image, so we're going to see if it works. That's the goal. That's the one thing that we got to do today. If we can make it work, we can make it work. We'll try our best. We'll try our best. So let's see here. I need to convert this into something that's a little bit more. Can I do this? Is that something I can do? Can I do it like that? Can I say x equals this? Is that something I can do with Pytorch? I think it is, right? It looks like I should be able to do that. Will it work? Yes, it will. And it gets me exactly what I want. There we go. All right. I'm very happy with that. Perfect. Okay. So now we've got that. Bring back our data. Paste that in. Okay. So we've got the data that we're looking for. Now we've got our input, which will be 1. And then our output will be 3. Let's see if it works now. Let's see if it works. Is it going to work? Oh, loss function. Oh, we got to define our loss function. Okay. Where is our loss function? Let's do that really quick. Let's open this for loss. Here we go. Oh, that's why. That's why. Okay. All good there. No worries. Let's bring this up here. We'll do our loss underscore FN. We'll put it right where it's needed. It's needed right here. Perfect. Perfect. Right above it. Excellent. Okay. MSE. We might want a different one. Okay. Something's happening. It's doing something. Oh, it's barely working. Oh, uh-oh. It's struggling. It's struggling. It's struggling terribly. It's not working at all. Look at that. This is what it looks like when it fails. This is what it looks like when it fails, you guys. Infinity. Yep. It busted up there. Okay. So it could not learn. It couldn't learn. Okay. See here. Vi. All right. Let's open this back up. Okay. So it struggled. We might. All right. Well, and we tried our best. We tried our best, and it seems like it's gonna not work very well this time. Maybe it won't work. Maybe we need to take a different approach, right? We might need to take a different approach. Wait. We should do batching. We should batch it. Let's try to batch it. Oh, how long has this taken you to build? Can Python do this? Yes, this is Python, and it has been about an hour. We've been doing this for about an hour. That's it. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. We've been doing this for about an hour, and we've got pretty far. We got pretty far here. So what I want to do is, let's see here. All right. So epoch. Oh, what we should do is so in order to speed this up, here we go. So this will make it a lot faster. All right. So we will, for each epoch, we'll look through the output data, and if the point is here we go, greater than that, then we'll draw a dot. Or equals. Now we'll just say that. We'll just say greater than 0. There we go. There we go. Okay. So now that we've got that, what do we want to do next here, guys? I need to let's just run it real quick to see where we're at. We'll run it real quick to see where we're at. But we're running up to we're running against time. Oh, we got a batch. That's right. We're trying to batch here. Here, I've got an idea. Let's close that really quick. Let's remove this condition and then bring this out. Let's see what it looks like let's see if it's actually working. Let's see. Grab that here. Okay. Let's see if we're actually doing anything. Let's see here. Pop this over here. It is definitely not even drawing a single dot. It's not even drawing a single dot. Let's see. All right. Let's see if we can get this further. All right. So, actually, you know what? Instead of CLF, let's get rid of that one. Okay. Let's batch it. That's what we got to do. That's what we got to do next, you guys. We got to batch it. That's the next thing we got to do. We have to batch it next. Okay. So, X. Okay. So here's an X. So our batch size. How do we, I know Pytorch has nice batching, so we might be able to do easy batching. So let's see here. Let's look up how to batch. Oh, hey, Bumblebee, thank you for the subscription. You're subscribed. Oh, for which company are you currently on and roll? CTO at PubNub, you guys. CTO at PubNub. Here's my company. This is my company, you guys. So we are a communications technology company. We have an API that allows you to communicate between devices, and so it enables you to like do food order delivery. It also so like Adobe for collaborative. Like, are you familiar with like shared like document spaces where you've got users editing the same document at the same time? Multiplayer video games and sporting events and things like that. So shared screen experiences. Yeah, that's my company. That's my company, you guys. That's what we do here. All right, so let's bring this back over here. So that's the company, and we have an API that makes it really easy for you to build like multiplayer games. And all you do is send and receive data. No need for IP addresses. We take care of that for you guys. So let's see over here. Let's bring some of this back over here. Where was it? Where was that? We'll have to do it again. All right, so we'll research it. Real research it. Is the CC software trainer is just your voice, or is it cold? It is cold. It's cold in Sarge. In Sarge, it's cold. Okay, so we might need a different loss function. Maybe can we do? Let's see here. Let's see if we can do a different loss function. What do we want? MSC. Is there a different one? Is there a different one that we could use? I don't know. Let's see here. We might want to change this loss function to something different. Right. I think it's called so like we need to do cross categorical. That's what we need. We need cross categorical. Not in it. How do we do cross? Let's see. Cross categorical Pytorch loss. Here we go. That's what we want. That's what we're looking for. Yes, cross entropy. Nice. Excellent. Criterion loss. Perfect. Outputs and labels, cross entropy loss. This is what we wanted. I think this is what we need. Or maybe it's not. It might not be. We'll find out. Torch. We'll try different things. You guys. But we do got to get going here pretty soon. We're almost up. MSE. Okay, perfect. We'll try that one first. Okay. What is the license? That software is very fast, isn't it? It's free. It's completely free. 100% free. I know it works really well. And it's using my technology as well. It's also for free, you guys. So you just do you can just Google for it. It's on our Discord, actually. Just go to our Discord, and it's over here on our Discord. So under free resources, you'll find it. It's look for so like subtitles. I think it's called subtitles. Look for subtitles. Here we go. Yep. Where is it? Open subtitles. It's around here somewhere. Here it is. Right here. It's right here on our Discord. Right here on our Discord, guys. 20 minutes left. I know, right, Torva? Always 20 minutes. And I do got to get going. I really do. I really have to get going. So we'll see if we'll try a few more things to see if we can get anything to show up on the screen. I would like to see a dot at least. It would be nice to see at least a dot. If you're stuck on something, or are you getting an error, you prefer Stack Overflow or AI tools? I prefer AI tools, but by using AI tools, you can easily atrophy your skills. So one of the things that I wanted to do while on stream was to use just the best, not use AI tools. So that way I can keep my skills up. Bro, thank you for the likes, you guys. I use that at my job. Yes, absolutely. It's completely free. It's complete. Does it run on GPU or CPU? It does GPU, and you will be good to go. You'll be very happy with it. You'll be very happy. Here it is. This is it right here. This is it right here. And it's very easy to use. It's super easy to use. There's actually really easy instructions right here. You just follow these instructions and it works on OBS. There you go. Works on OBS. Makes it super easy, you guys. Super easy on OBS. Thank you. Thank you for the likes, you guys. All right, so let's pop back in. So we're going to give it another 5 minutes, and then I got to get going. Like one more 5 minutes, we got to get going. So let's see here. We want to batch it. Let's see if we can do batches, because we're doing 100% of the data, and I think that might be a smidgen too much. It might be a smidgen too much. So let's see, how do we do that? So batch, data loader, Pytorch, NumPy arrays. There we go. So we got NumPy arrays basically. So let's do the data loader, and I want to batch it. Let's do batching. How do we do batching? Okay, so enumerate data loader. Okay, so data loader, batch size, shuffle. Yes. Okay. This is what I want. Okay, data set. Okay, looks good. All right. Samples, arrays. Perfect. Okay, so we've got our data arrays and label arrays. Okay. Data set. Okay, custom NumPy data set. Wait, is that a custom? Do I have to do something up here? Oh, it wants us to create a class. Really? Do I have to do that? Is that really what you have to do? Really? Really, you guys? Really? Last 5 minutes, I feel like how in Sarge looks. Wait, how does Sarge look? How does Sarge look? I don't even know. Floridian, how does Sarge look? I don't know about that. Have you guys been working on anything exciting recently? I'm actually kind of curious. Do we really have to do a custom data loader? Is there a better way? Can we do this without custom data loader? Let's see if we can do it without custom data loader. Okay, so this is what I want. Yep. Okay, so these are the utilities. So far, so good. All right, pop this over here. Perfect. Okay, so we got our tensor data set and our tensor data loader. Perfect. Looking good so far. All right, so now let's see. We want to data. Oh, actually, data equals data. What is it? Tensor data set. Perfect. All right, and then our data loader will be okay from NumPy. Torch.from NumPy. Okay. Let's double check. Okay. We already have that though. Oh, hey, Jesus Cruz, welcome on in. Good to have you here. Thank you for joining. Thank you for your subscription. We'll be doing, we're trying to get an AI to draw an image. That's what we're trying to do right now. We're trying to get the AI to draw an image. So this is our data set. That part worked. I think we're good there. Data loader is what we need next. Okay. So there, data loader looks good. So we got our data loader, data set. We'll say this over here. There we go. And then batch size, we'll say 10. And then shuffle true. Now, how do we process this? For batch. Perfect. Okay. This is what I'm looking for here. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Okay. Batch. Here we go. For epoch. Perfect. So we'll do 8 epochs. Batch size, batch ID, and data loader. Perfect. Okay, so now batch X and batch Y. Okay, so then this goes into here. We'll take the batch X and put it here, right? VP. And then batch Y will go here, right? So that's the output. Oh, wait, no. Batch Y goes over here. Perfect. Okay, now we got it. Okay, so I think we did batching, you guys. I think we succeeded at that. I think we've got batching now. So let's see if we can get this to run. Let's see, /y pred right here. That's fine. We got to indent. a little problems. Just a few problems there. Okay, there's that. So we indented now. So we've got our epochs here. We've got the full data set, the batch, and then let's do like epoch 10. We'll do 10 for each 10. Oh, no, we can't do that. We cannot do that. That does not work. We need to do something different. This needs to come out. How do we do that? How about we say samples equals 0. And then we do samples plus, right? Samples plus equals no, let's just do 1. Samples, well, batches. Batches is even better. There we go. Let's say batches. All right, perfect. I like that better. And then we will, hey dude, I will get confused in syntax while using Seaborn, Plotly, and Eda. In that time, I use a doc, anything I need to focus. I don't know. I'm not familiar with Seaborn. What's that? What's Seaborn? Can you teach me React and Node? We could eventually, yeah. Actually, that would be a good topic for the channel. We could do some React and Node. React is a lot of fun. It's easy. It's pretty straightforward. It's clean. I like it. The abstraction is nice. The problem with the frameworks like React is that they're over engineered for most projects. So you don't need them for all your projects. They're a little bit over engineered. So usually you can get away with not using any framework and you'll have a much better experience because the browser already is a framework. All right, so what was our problem here? Let's run that. Oh, there wasn't a problem. There's no problem. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Okay. Things are happening. I'm some pretty good data there. Okay. Things are happening. All right. I'm pretty happy about that. It is a little bit slow. And it's probably slow because, here, let's close that. Let's do this. So let's go ahead and let's get rid of let's just comment this out really quick. Like that. Comment this out really quick. Perfect. All right. Let's see if that speeds it up for us. Data visualization lib. Is that what that is? Seaborn? Okay, gotcha. Yeah, I'm not familiar with Seaborn. It's built on top of Matplotlib. If I'm not wrong, it offers convenient graphs. Hey, there you go. Some convenient graphs. That sounds pretty nice to me. This sounds pretty nice to me. All right, so what is going on here? Oh, we are not printing anything anymore. So let's see here. So for if we need this back, but only for a smidgen. We only need this right here. All right. So if batch is, then we're gonna print. We're gonna print the loss. There we go. I like that. All right. Okay, bring that back in over here. Okay, so we should see. Okay, good, interesting. Okay, you know what though? We need to be able to draw points. That's what we got to do next. Let's draw points. So that learned really fast. That did actually pretty good. What's your Discord? Oh, the outlier. Good question. The Discord. It will be. How do I send that to you? How do I send that to you? Just look me up. Look me up on the internet, and then you'll find the red platform. The red platform, it will have the link there, and you can get it. The outlier. There's a few steps. You got to do, and then you will be able to get to it. Just a few steps. I'd like to be able to paste it to you, but because the phone is right here. What are we training here? We're trying to train an AI to draw an image. The very first time ever. So we got our input data. We've got our input data, and then we've got our output data, right? And we've got our data loader. We've got some batches, and then we're training them on. Although what we need to do now is, before I go, I want to draw at least one dot, and then we might have to continue this tomorrow. We'll have to continue this. I'm coding to a monorepo app generator that can spin off agents. Hey, that sounds nice. That sounds pretty powerful. Nice, very nice. That's an exciting project you got there. Let's see here. I mean, you can just give the pandas data frame and it will do some smart graphs. Oh, is it? July. Hey, July, good to see you. That's actually pretty powerful. That's really nice. Nothing beats Jet 2 Holiday. I know, Pears. I know what you're talking about. I've seen all those. I like those social posts with all that. Nothing beats a Jet 2 Holiday, you guys. Just like any image or something specific. We're doing, Nick, we're doing something specific. We're drawing the Pytorch logo, or the emblem right here. So you see the Pytorch emblem up here at the top of the screen? We're going to try to draw that. That's what we're trying to draw. We're trying to draw that. I'm coding too. Images. What are we coding? We're having the AI draw an image. What's the end goal with this? I might have missed it. We're just trying to do something simple. Just trying to get the AI to draw an image. Oh, that's awesome. I know. It's kind of a neat little project. We're learning Pytorch as much as we can. There's a lot of things that, some Pytorch stuff. Like we did our own manual normalization of the image. And so that we could do with Pytorch directly, though we tried and we got just a bunch of errors. So how hard would it be to make a face recognition system for cats? Actually, that's pretty easy. That part's easy. I think that part's pretty straightforward. Face recognition for cats, we could absolutely do it. You could totally do it. It's actually really easy. Super high. Always love your enthusiasm. Thank you, July. Appreciate it. That's great feedback. That's awesome. For fun. Yep, you got it. This is for awesome and for fun. For fun and for awesome. Okay, so we got our batches. What we need to do is we need to plot a point here. What I want, all right, so maybe we got to dot that out, right? So we don't have that going anymore. Okay. And then maybe, all right. So let's bring this back here. Batches. So we don't need that anymore. Got there. Okay. Let's just print. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let's not pause. Let's just see if we could draw a dot. All right, you guys, let's see if we could draw a dot. Let's see if it's possible. Is it possible that we can draw a dot? All I want to do is draw a dot. That's the one thing I want to do. I just want to draw the dot. And it's not drawing, so there's no dots. So it's just a blank screen. It's purely blank. It's like a fully blank screen. So that's the one point that we're missing. That's the one last thing that we got to do. So you're training AI an image in the Pytorch logo. You got it. That's it. And then trying to get the model to plot it. You got it. That's it. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to see if that's possible. We'll probably have to make some changes to make it work. Because as we see here, the loss it's kind of jumping all over the place. But at least we should see a dot or something. Here, okay, so instead of printing the loss, I want to plot the points. Print point. Let's just print the point. Let's see what that looks like. 0, 1, 2, okay. That's it. That's all I want to do. I want to see what that looks like. I want to see, we're going to visualize it with the terminal window. Visualizing it with the terminal window. Okay, let's hide that really quick. Okay. So 2, 4, 4. Okay. Okay. So it looks like it's going to basically at dot 5, dot 5. That should draw a point. That should absolutely draw a point. I don't know why that wouldn't draw a point. Why wouldn't that draw a point? Okay. So that should draw a point. Here we go. Plot like this, maybe. Maybe it wants it like this. Doesn't want it to be in an array. It's not complaining. It's definitely not complaining. I want to draw just a single dot on the chart. Just a single dot. And see, it's just empty. I want to see at least one dot. That's like the last thing we got to do today. Right? Right? Wait, hold on. Yes, exactly. I mean, as far as I can tell. Okay. So let's see here. I want to draw a single point. Just one point. All right. So matplotlib, draw a point. Draw a dot. Just a dot. That's all I want to do is just draw a dot. Subplots. So I don't need a subplot. I plot X coordinate, Y coordinate, marker size. Okay. This is what we got to do. We need this. We need this here. Okay. So we got our pixel. You guys. Grab that. Okay. Looks good. So I believe that was it. Let's see here. Marker dot 0. Okay. So let's try that and let's see if that works. Wait, actually double check. X coordinate. Okay, got it. X coordinate. Perfect. We're almost there, you guys. So let's get rid of that. This and that. Okay. Scatter. Yeah, exactly. We're gonna scatter it. That's what we're doing. We're scattering it. 1 second. We gotta make sure to marker size. Do we have to say? Hold on 1 second. Let's see here. And then color equals red. Yeah, we got to do color equals here. Let's grab that really quick. Okay, comma, get rid of that. All right, let's see. Boom. All right, are we going to draw it? Wait, why is it not drawing? What? I just want it to, oh, wait, are we not actually drawing? Maybe we're not drawing. Hold on a second. Are we running the plots? Is it happening? We've got the point that we're printing. Let's print this out. So is it showing? It is. So it is showing. Let's see here. Looks good. Okay. I mean, it looks good to me. It's scatter plot in matplotlib. I'm thinking, yes, exactly. We're doing scatter plotlib. Pixel coordinates and floats. Also very smart values. Isn't the strange Steph? Wait, what do you mean? So what is he trying to do? Oh, we're just trying to draw a picture. We're trying to draw a picture. We're trying to teach the AI to draw an emblem. We're probably going to have to change color. You got it. It's the color. Yep. Why is it not drawing? I don't know. I don't know why it's not drawing. Let's see here. Let's see if we can get it just to draw up here. Let's see. We'll just try to do some basic drawing. We're going to do some hello world stuff. So at 1 and 1, we'll draw a big dot. We'll draw a big dot, and we'll draw a big dot over at 2. Let's see if that works. All right. Let's see if that works. Let's just try to draw a dot. Okay, see? It's not even drawing a dot at all. So it was working this whole time. My code isn't terrible. I mean, it's not that terrible, but it's this part right here. It's not even drawing anything. It's not drawing a single thing. All right, let's do this really quick. Delete. So here, bring this up to 10. Let's see if we can draw these. I want to draw. Let's bring that up to 3. Okay. Let's see here. Let's see if we can get any sort of dot. Okay, perfect. Okay. As you can see on the screen now, we got ourselves a dot. We got a few dots now. That's good. Off to a good start. So now that we've got some dots, we know that this is a good dot here. It draws the dots. Okay. Right. Bring this back. Okay, so we got some dots. Perfect. And now all we got to do is figure out why it's not actually drawing a dot here. Because this is the main thing that we need right here. This is the one thing. Oh, that's cool. Are you trying to use the Google AI or different ones? I do use the Google AI. I definitely use Google AI. That's the one to do it. That's the one to do it. Mind, thank you for the gift badge. Appreciate it. Casual, great. Good to see you. Welcome on in. All right, you guys, we're almost there. So this is the last thing. I want it to just draw some dots now. Like, let's get it to draw some dots. Other than, I mean, clearly, it's still just drawing the 3 dots. Clearly, it's just 3 dots. But I really want it to draw the other dots. Like, we've got the coordinates. Oh, look at that. It was drawing the dots. I was just forgetting to do a thing. Oh, you guys. Okay, hold on. We got something happening here. We need to draw. We got to do this. We got to pause it. Okay. I forgot. Okay, here we go. So we got to do this. We just forgot to uncomment that. Okay. Let's try it again. Let's bring this back up. All right, you guys, we're almost there. This is neat. All right, we're getting there. Okay, so we don't need pause. All right, let's undead that. All right, perfect. What language do you work with outside of Python? Rust. Okay, here you guys go. All right, it's working now. This is what I was hoping for. So now all we got to do is train the AI to make it into a picture. All right, we just got to train the AI to make it into a picture. We're one step closer. Oh my gosh, we're so late. I know, we did it. We're getting onto it. Look at that. Isn't that great? What's the scale of the plotting during the machine learning is run? Is it too small? It could be. So what we got to do is we can increase the training. We need to change the model shape. But obviously it's doing something. Something's happening here, isn't it? It's trying to do something. All right, we got to stop that now. Let's see. Stop. I can't get rid of it. It won't let me get rid of it. Okay, close that. Okay, perfect. Okay. All right. So, let's see here. Let's do for batches. We need more batches. So, how many batches are there? So, we'll draw fewer lines. Let's do 1,000. Let's do every 1,000. And then we'll redraw the image every 1,000. Oh wait, hold on a second. What we should do is this. There we go. That's better. All right, now we're not pausing so often. How are we modeling rewards? It just for it to draw good. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get it to draw good. What determines the speed of the training? My mistakes at putting the sleep. The sleep right here. It's the sleep, you guys. You got to put the sleep in the right place. All right, let's see better. Okay, so it's starting to draw now. We're starting to get some pictures. It's starting to draw some things. Keep going. Keep drawing. You could do it. You could draw a little bit more. It gave up. It stopped drawing. It gave up. Okay, let's see here. Let's close that. All right, let's see here. Okay, so what we could do is we could have it draw after it trains. That's what we could do. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Hey, Nick Talk, had a client call. We're drawing now. We got to the drawing phase. We're doing it. It's actually working. I'm actually really excited about this. I guess I'm asking, how does it know if it's getting closer to the Pytorch logo? Because we've loaded, thank you for the likes, you guys. We loaded in the Pytorch image right here. So we've got an image loader that we wrote. We wrote it at the beginning of stream. At the very beginning of stream, we loaded it right here. So we've got the Pytorch logo, right? So watch this. Open Pytorch logo. It looks like this, right? So here's our Pytorch logo right here, right? Which is obviously we got our Pytorch logo looking right there, right? So this is the emblem, right? The emblem of the Pytorch logo. So and then we train it. So the AI tries to draw and then we tell it how wrong it was, right? We tell it how wrong it was with the drawing. And so that's what it is. And so what I'm thinking, what I want to do next is, because we need to update how we're training the model, I want to change it to, we need to make some changes to make it better. Go back to the drawing circle. I know we could get back to the drawing circle. I mean, it's basically a circle, right? But now we're drawing the pixels. We're drawing the actual pixels of the image. So that's what we're doing, you guys. We're back to the pixels. Isn't it cool? I thought it was really cool. It's the Pytorch logo. Have you considered CB2 or Pillow instead of graphing points? Oh, we could do that. You're probably right. We actually could do that. That actually would be a lot better because then we could draw the actual pixels. We could draw the actual pixels. All right, so that's something else we got to try out later. We're going to try that out later. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Appreciate it. Thank you for all the little floaty heart icons. So let's try. We're gonna mess around this for like a couple more minutes, and then we got to get going. And that'll be it for today. I'm really happy that we got something at least showing up on the screen. But I have some ideas on how we want to make it better. Excellent. Yeah, thank you, user. Thank you so much. All right, so let's see here. Okay, so let's bring this back down. I want to see if we can make this look. Oh, nope, not that one. We've already have that. All right, so let's bring this open over here. Okay, here it is, a drawing. Okay, so it's drawing here. It's trying to draw. It's doing the best it can right now. It's trying, you guys. It's not working very well, but it's trying. The AI is trying. Look, it's trying right now. So we'll have to see. I think what we need to do is we need to figure out what we need to multiply it. I think we need to multiply it here. So let's see. Let's multiply the output. So that way we can see it a little better. Let's do multiply by 10 maybe. I don't know if that's going to be good enough, but we'll try. We'll try it. We'll see. Let's see if that works better. Here we go. It's trying the hard as it can. It's trying. What we need to do is, okay. I've got a better idea. Okay. I've got a better idea. I want to fully redraw it. Right now it's drawing just segments. It's doing little segments at a time, which it won't work. It's not going to work for us. So this is the last thing we're going to do, and we'll be done with stream. We'll be done with stream for today. This is the last thing. It almost looks like the Pytorch logo. Just almost, but not quite. It's not quite there. It needs a little bit more work. It needs a smidgen more work. So what we'll do is we will do a full render. We'll do a full render. I think the idea is we'll do a full render. So I think all right, so how do we want to do this? For each epoch, we'll do it each epoch. I think that'll be a lot better. So let's print the loss for each batch. And then instead of doing this here, we'll do this under the epoch here. So after the training, so we'll train it, and then we'll run we'll draw it, and we'll do it for all of them. We'll do it for every single one. So out equals model X. So we'll do 100%. We'll do 100%. I think we could do that. I think we've got enough GPU memory to be able to do that. I think we will. When is the next live? Kind of looking forward to it. We'll be live tomorrow. It'll be Friday. We do Monday through Friday, you guys. Monday through Friday. We're live Monday through Friday, you guys. Okay, here we go. So let's pop this over here. Nope. Yes. Okay. Out.x, and then out numpy point looks good. And then we obviously we do need this part back. This is important. We cannot forget this part here. To do here. We need that back, but that's for debugging. We're debugging right now, you guys. So here we go. We'll do this, and then we'll CLF. We'll do a CLF here. We'll get the output, and then we'll plot it, and then we'll pause for like a tenth of a second. There we go. For 1/10 of a second. 100 milliseconds, you guys. 1/10 of a second. Okay, let's bring this back over here. Okay, we should get an image. It should be popping up here any second. There it is. All right, it's popped up here. Okay, not quite a Pytorch logo. Let's see. Is it going to try again? It's going to try again. Oh, there it goes. Okay. All right. So I see what the problem is now. It's going to. So we did 100% of the data. So now it's just drawing a line. It's not quite a Pytorch logo, is it? It's not a Pytorch logo. He's training. Oh, so what are we trying to do? He's training an AI model to recreate the Pytorch logo by plotting it on a graph. That's it. Yep, you got it, Nick Goodwin. You got it, Nick Goodwin. That's what we're doing. All right, so obviously it's not quite working right. As you can see, it's not quite working right. But I know what we should do. I know what we want to do next. I know what we got to do next. We need to change how we're training the model. We need to change it. And I've got an idea, but we'll have to save that for next stream. Okay, guys? We'll save it for next stream. But thank you for hanging out. We got to get going, you guys. Appreciate you joining. Tune in tomorrow when we actually have the AI draw Pytorch logo, right? Here's the before and after, right? The before and after. Like, oh, the AI was like, I'll just draw a line for you. Nope, not quite. We need to draw the Pytorch logo. So yeah, we'll be back tomorrow, everyone. Thank you for joining. We'll be starting. I don't know what time tomorrow. I'll have to check. I'll put it on the Discord. I'll put it on Discord when we go live next. Steven, I might be messaging you on Discord in a couple of minutes for the upcoming event. Sounds good, Torva. Sounds good. What's your idea for improvement? Okay, so the input is okay. The input data is okay, but the output data is XY coordinates with an on or off signal. Instead, I want to just output on or off. We don't need XY coordinates. Instead, we already know that we're going to output to a canvas size, right? There you go. Now we're going to get into real image generation, aren't we? Now we're getting into real image generation. We know what the shape of this resolution is. 194 by 160 or something like that. So that'll be our output canvas, right? That'll be our output canvas. And we'll train the model on or off depending on the input and depending on the position of the coordinate. And I think that'll do the trick. That will give us a much better result. All right, so we'll run it one more time before we head out, you guys. Here, one more time. There you go. This is what it looks like. We'll run it one more time. Here it is. Here is the output. Here's the plot. Oh, no, that's not a very good plot, is it? That's not a very good plot. There. Oh, it's actually trying. Oh, it's doing something different. It's doing something different. Look, it's trying. It's trying, you guys. It's trying. It's trying to do it. All right, well, I know what we have to do. Next time I got it, we'll make it better. The AI is doing only the best it can do. There we go. It's only, hey, DWSP, we're headed out. You got here just at the very end. Isn't it neat? What time tomorrow, Nick Goodwin? It could be in the morning. I don't know. Or it could be in the afternoon. I'll put it on Discord when we're about to go live because I've got a bunch of stuff that I got to take care of from a business perspective. All right, you guys, thank you for the likes. Hey, who is that? Prothmesh? Prothmesh, thank you for your subscription. Well, happy to have you here. We'll be live tomorrow. We're going to head out now. Thank you for joining, everyone. Thank you for joining. We'll be back tomorrow. Appreciate it. All right. Oh, wait. DWSP, literally, real quick. Basic Python would be the best line work if a company would hire me. Really trying to get game up to stay at home dad. Okay. So there is on our Discord channel, you guys. Thank you for all the likes. Appreciate it. We're headed out now. Here on our Discord channel, just scroll for some resources here. It's called Dr. Yu Lin, I think it was. Dr. Yu's. It's Dr. Yu here, around here. Right. Dr. Angela Yu. Dr. Angela Yu. There it is on your Discord. There you go. Dr. Angela Yu. You found it. You'll come too late. You came too late. I know. Rolex Shadow, you came too late. We're just leaving now. Thank you, everyone, for joining. We'll be back tomorrow. Leaving it in an endless and constant attempt to make a Pytorch logo and never turning off the computer. I know, right? We could totally do that. We could keep trying, but it's struggling because we got to update the model and our inputs so we can make some changes and it will actually work. All right, you guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you, everyone, for joining. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Clicking the stop stream button.